Hi, StageBuddy.com theater editor Dave Lefkowitz here with my hot theater picks for this weekend, September 27th through the 29th, 2013. Well, the new play by Regina Taylor called Stop Reset is stopping. It's ending its run at Signature Theater off-Broadway this weekend. The play got kind of mez reviews, but it sounds intriguing. It's all about how technology is going up against the analog world, and Carl Lumbly stars in the show. So if you're interested in seeing Stop Reset, go see it this weekend. This is also the final weekend to catch 5 different plays by the same author. It's this major undertaking by the Rattlestick Theater Company, all for the plays of Lucy Thurber, and they're doing them in 5 different theaters, and they tend to deal very intimately with small town life. Now, critics who've seen all 5 within a week, they just come out of there saying, oh, they're repetitious and there's too much of it going on and not enough substance for 5 different plays. But if you only see 1 or 2, who knows? They might be really, really good or intriguing. Anyway, they're plays, the Hilltown plays by Lucy Thurber. And finally, you ever wonder what musicals are like in Australia? Well, here's a way to find out. At Urban Stages, they're doing an Australian musical, and it's called Once We Lived Here, and I am not making this up. It takes place on a sheep farm. Anyway, it won a major prize in Melbourne, Australia back in 2009, so check it out, Once We Lived Here. Well, good day, mates, and please go to a show.